Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR electric screwdriver. Got a bunch of different bits in here, and I like seeing that these Torx have a hole in the center, so that means these are actually good for security screws. We also have a security Phillips and a triangle bit, so there is all kinds of stuff in here. Oh, nice. We got a magnetizer and a demagnetizer, so if you need to hold on to a screw, we can actually magnetize this bit. All you need to do is hold this in there for a while, and it will become magnetized, so that will hold on to stuff. There we go. So not a super strong magnet, it doesn't last a heck of a long time, but if you just need to get access to something that otherwise you can't get with your fingers, that is a way to do it. And then if you want to completely demagnetize it, just run it across the top. Now it is demagnetized. And then we've got our screwdriver. So nice simple thing. We got a forward and a reverse. It actually has a light. Oh, that's nice. So it's actually lit up all the way around it. So that way, no matter which angle you're looking at it, you're still going to have light. That's pretty cool. There's a hex bit holder, so the bits just slide right in. And we got our charging port on the back. And then to charge it, we got a USB cable. This is USB-A to USB-C. We can see we got a couple of security screws here on the top. That bit will fit it. Cool. It's actually able to pull that out. Neat. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice kit.